Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to close your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to go over to your Shopify account and log in into your store. Now once you've done that, you want to go over to the admin page of your store, and then you simply want to go over to settings in the bottom left, and they actually changed the pop-up since I think about a year now. And what you want to do is to go over to plan and then click on that. Now because I've got a free trial, for me it will say deactivate trial. However, all you need to do is to click on close store, and you'll then just need to confirm to Shopify that you actually want to close your Shopify store. And that's how to close your Shopify store in 2022. If for whatever reason it doesn't work for you, and if for whatever reason that doesn't work for you, you can also go over to the search bar and search for close, and you'll then see the plan details under the Shopify admin section. So click there and you'll then be sent over to the same page.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.